Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will show you how you can use a module from a Helix based template to another Helix based template. So for this example I have taken eSports template. This is a search module which behaves like this. So we will use this module to Helix Ultimate template. So first of all, I'll go to the administrator of eSports template, then extension modules. So I will select module type search, and here is the module top right search. So here in the advanced settings, you can see the layout is selected as top search, so which is loaded from the eSports template top search. So now let's check the code. This is the path in templates eSports HTML mod search. There is top search.php, which is the layout it is loading. So I will copy this file and we'll paste it to the Helix Ultimate template. Remember, you have to paste it to the exact same place: Shaper Helix Ultimate HTML and mod search here. So now I will go to extension and modules on Helix Ultimate template. Now I'll create a new module. I'll select type search. I'll give it a name, search. Here I will follow the exact settings of the eSports search module. So here in the layout I will select top search. There is also another thing, module class suffix. This also needs to be copied. Then I'll save it. So I am using the user1 position for this module. Now I'll go to extension template, then Shaper Helix Ultimate, template options, and layout builder. So here I have already turned off the predefined header and I have taken a custom header, and there are 3 columns: logo, menu, and user1. We have placed the search module in user1 position, so it is positioned here. So now let's look at it on the live. So here is the search module, but this does not look the same as the eSports template. So for this we'll have to copy the CSS and JavaScript files from the eSports template. So for this I have gone to the template.css file in eSports template. The path is templates eSports CSS and template.css, and here I will search for all the necessary CSS styles that will be used for this particular search module. I will inspect the search module And here you can see this eSports top search class has been added, and there is top search wrapper, icon top wrapper, and so on. So for each class I will search on template.css file and will copy the necessary CSS styles from here. So I have already done it. So I have saved this, saved all the CSS in a custom.css file. So now I will copy that custom.css files and paste it to Shaper Helix Ultimate. So this is the custom.css file. I have saved it elsewhere. So now I will paste it to Helix Ultimate templates, Shaper Helix Ultimate CSS, and here. So here is the custom.css file. Now let's look at it on the front end. Reload the page, but the icon is not showing. So let's inspect it. Okay, so here the color is white given. So let's change the color to black, and now it shows. So here it is. So let's set the color to black. So now it is shown. But when clicking on it, there is nothing happening. For example, if we click on here, the search box will appear, but here is not appearing. So I have to copy the JavaScript files from the template. So let's go to main.js file. The path will be templates esports js main.js. So I'll copy the necessary JavaScript files and will paste it in a custom.js file. So now I'll copy the custom.js file and paste it to the Shaper Helix Ultimate. So here I have pasted it in Shaper Helix Ultimate JS, and in this folder I have pasted the custom.js file. So now let's look at in the front end. So yes, now the search is working. So in this way you can use a module from a Helix based template to another Helix based template. I'd like to mention another thing. Both eSports and Helix Ultimate are based on Helix Ultimate template framework. I have also tried this thing on Hope template, which is based on Helix 3 framework, and it also works in here too. Here is the search icon and the same result. So I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please let me know if you have any feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much.